您好，您正在观看 Amin Parker 频道，感谢您对频道的支持。
안녕하세요. 현재 아민파커 채널을 시청하고 계십니다. 채널을 지원해주셔서 감사합니다.
Halo, Anda sedang menonton saluran Amin Parker. Terima kasih telah mendukung saluran ini.
Konnichiwa minasan. Watashi wa Amin Parker desu. Mokuteki chi dake mite mashigura ni susumi. Tochu no keshiki ni mei wo tome nai nara. Donna subarashi basho wo tabi shite mo amari imi ga arimasen. Jinsei no tabi mo sore to onaji. Isogu hitsuyou nado arimasen. Tochu no keishiki wo yukuri tanoshimu shito koso jinsei wo tanoshimu shito nano desu. Konban mo minasan no ue ni Kamisama no shukufuku ga arimasu yo ni. Who know me from YouTube will remember my vacuum cleaner very well. This is the Dirt Devil Power Express vacuum cleaner. Like I said on YouTube back in the day, this device is a lifesaver. It literally does a great job. But right now what I want to do is clean it out, empty all the garbage, and put it in the garbage. So let's do it right now. Okay. So comes off just like that. You know, you hit that button and it pops off. Look at that, it's filled to the max already. So yeah, dirt even trying to come out right now. So I gotta screw this off and empty it into the trash. All right, shouldn't take too long. Yeah, I'm trying to remember how to do this thing. There we go. Okay. And that's the trash can right there. Wow, it's a lot. got a lot of it out. I don't know. She didn't call. I don't. Oh, she is calling. She called it with my phone not saying nothing. Okay, Ma. Sorry. I love you. God bless you. Be careful. Look at this, guys. I cleaned it completely. This is a really good thing. Yeah. Here. But I think that's okay. Yeah. But basically, it's all good now. Pretty much so. Okay. Let's put this part right here. Don't come off. It'd be nice if this top part could come off. That'll be nice. Look at that. Okay, that's good enough. And now it's time to put it back onto The actual vacuum cleaner now. And I believe that's it. So yeah, it took a while to clean it, but now all of the filth is gone for the most part. Okay, and I can continue to reuse it. Well, this is it. This is Parker's video of the vacuum cleaner. Parker fans, look at this. If you remember from YouTube, I had a series about my microwave. How it was bad, it was broken, it was no good. Well, just bought a new microwave. That's right, brand new. Just for cooking and warming up food purposes. So on this account we know as Threads, you're going to see me using this new microwave to cook food. And there should be no problems. That's right. It's a pretty big microwave. And it's heavy too. I have to take it up these stairs. That's right. Take it up the stairs. Yeah. I have to bring it up with one hand. Yeah. Pretty heavy box, guys. That's a heavy microwave. We have to replace that one. Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this box. I got it open. I'll get it. Yeah. All right. That's a big microwave. All right, let me go ahead and do a switcheroo. Can't do things with one hand, of course. That's the old microwave. Remember? And it's broken too. This is the new microwave. It's big and black. Just needs to be plugged in, which I will plug it in very soon. But finally, we have a brand new microwave in town. Not bad.